What's up everybody, this is Nick Noyes from Noyes Designs. Gold inlay. I think I get more requests to show how I do gold inlay than any other thing that I do. So I thought I'd make a video breaking it down a little bit for you guys. This ring that I'm finishing up has 24 karat gold inlay and diamond PAVÉ. So it's a pretty cool addition to your skill set. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned, check it out. So I'm cutting out a notch with a flat graver right now, and this is where the gold will be inlaid. After the groove is cut, I'm going to go in with this flat tool. You can even make one of these from an old graver. And I'm going to undercut the inside of the groove I cut. Make sure you don't space them too far. The more teeth the gold has to bite into, the better it will stay in place. Once you've cut the groove all the way around, and teeth on each side of the groove, you're ready to inlay the gold. I'm going to be using this 3mm brass punch to hammer in the gold. You can use a piece of steel or really anything you want, but brass is nice because it doesn't mar up the silver as much. If you did the other steps right, the gold goes in pretty easy. I like to go around with a brass punch and just make sure that the gold is fully filled in the groove that you cut. Once it's in there, if it's curved, you can go in with a sanding disc or a file and just clean up where you hit it in. Doesn't take much. If you're new to this channel, I create step-by-step videos of how I create jewelry, as well as more in-depth tutorials. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. It would mean a lot to me. I post a new video every Wednesday, 10 a.m. Eastern. See you there.